Okay, excuse me for the cough. Okay, so continuing from the previous lesson, okay, as you can see here, I'm not sure if the camera can see that, but it's a lot better than what it used to be, but it's still a little bit damaged here. It's got a crack. Now here, as you can see, it's a straight surface here. You've got to check this out to see if it's straight or not. Okay, and it's very straight, so if you're going to put polyfiller or putty or you know, even sawdust with glue, which is much stronger, sawdust than glue is a lot stronger, 1,000 times stronger, you know, after a while it's going to fall off. You know, a bit of banging here and there, it's going to fall off because it's slippery here. So what you're going to do is stick holes around here with a nail or something, or a screw or something. So then the sawdust, we're going to put sawdust and glue, it goes into the hole and around it and on top layer. So it becomes, as you sand it becomes flat here, and then through the holes it has a place where to grip and where to stay in there. So it's, and that way it will last like 50 years, you know, or maybe less or more, but something like that. Okay, so we don't have to actually use G clamps to do it here, okay, because it's just a simple polyfiller. We're not sanding anything, we're making a lot of movement, we just put some polyfiller. So just a piece of wood like this is enough to put in here, just like that. That's enough. We're just going to put some polyfiller here, or sawdust as I had, but we're going to put this one for a bit of extra support. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, so now, up the camera can see it. There's also a little bit damaged on this side. Okay, a little bit damaged. Okay, so what we do is we get the thing of just where the crack is, just put some holes there. Okay, just put some holes there. Okay, right around here. So you got to kind of like damage it a little bit in order to repair it fully. Okay, in here. Come up here, just run around it. This is what they do in concrete laying. When they lay concrete for houses, they stick, you know, they do things like this. They put bricks or something like that. You know, my father taught me this trick. Okay, here. You want to select a fine sawdust for this. Okay, we put it here. Okay, so now we get our glue to go right here, upside down. We'll bring the sawdust here. We'll bring the glue here. Okay, so I'll show you how it has to be. Something same, similar, or even different, as long as it's something like this. Okay, just like that. Okay, I'm going to show you can see the holes there. Okay, so that way, as I repeat, so it sinks into your heads. Okay, the polyfiller has to be very thin now. Like the sawdust has to be thin. You get one of those things that I haven't got one. I'm not sure what it's called. I got it one of the program where you sort it, where you get all the thin layer of the sawdust. It has to be very thin sawdust. Okay. Because too fat, it's not going to go into the hole. Okay, if it's too much, too fat, the sawdust. So you have to get the thin layer, and you mix it like this. Okay. Get some more sawdust here, and that should be fine. Just check it a bit. Okay, bring it in here, and just bring it on here. So because we're not making much noise or much movements here with sanders or anything like this, we can just have this here like that. It doesn't have to have a G clamp. Okay, it doesn't even have to have that there, but we'll just put it for security there. Okay, you can even do it without the steadying it if you haven't got anywhere to steady it. Okay, so we come like that and feel it in like this. And then we're just saying over that when he dries. Okay, not now, but when he dries. And as you can see, you see that it will look rebuild except for sanding now. Okay, hang on, we need a bit more here. You see that the camera will show you that it is rebuilt except for the sanding on that part of it. Okay, as you can see now. Okay, as you can see here now. Where is it? Okay, as you can see there. Okay, how it's been done. Okay, so that will be how it's done. You've got to be careful you don't get this on the thing there. Okay, and on the computer. Okay, so be back for more in a moment.